Hey guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to create stickers from a snap on Snapchat. If you're using Snapchat and now you want to create a sticker, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Snapchat app, open it, and here you have to take a snap or photo as just click it and it will take a snap for you. Then tap on this option, just tap on it. Here you can see there's option to make a sticker. You have to select the area which you want. As I have selected, now this area will be a sticker. Just tap on done, and then your sticker will be ready. Here you can see there is a sticker. So that's how you can easily create stickers from a snap on Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.